In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view embedded comments in Adobe Acrobat. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. With Acrobat running, make sure the PDF you want to review is open so you can see the pages clearly. Give the document a moment to load, especially if it's a larger file, then get ready to move through it at a comfortable zoom level so small icons are easy to spot. As you read, keep an eye out for small, cloud-like icons that are purple in color. These are the visual markers for embedded comments in the document. You'll typically find them hovering near the margins, beside highlighted sections, or slightly above the lines of text they refer to. They may look like a little purple cloud or speech bubble, and they're your cue that someone has left a note, question, or instruction tied to that spot in the PDF. When you see a purple cloud icon, simply click it. That click opens the comment associated with that exact location. A small note window will appear showing the text of the comment, often including details like who wrote it and when it was added. Read through the message to understand the feedback or context the commenter intended. If the note covers part of your page content, you can drag the pop-up out of the way or click elsewhere on the page to collapse it when you're done reading. If you're scrolling and don't notice any purple cloud icons, there are a few possibilities. The most common is that there are no embedded comments on that particular page or section. Another is that the icons are present but small at your current zoom level. Zooming in slightly can make them easier to see without changing anything about the document itself. Interface themes can also affect appearance, so if your workspace colors differ, focus on the cloud-like shape rather than relying solely on the shade of purple. As you continue through the PDF, repeat the same simple process. Watch for purple cloud icons and click each one to reveal the embedded comment. This lets you follow the conversation embedded by reviewers, understand requested changes, and capture important context right where it matters, all without leaving the page or guessing what a note is referring to. And that's it. Open Adobe Acrobat, look for the purple cloud-like icons, and click to read the comments embedded in your document. With this straightforward approach, you'll move through feedback quickly and confidently, keeping your review process clear and organized.